The large intestine has three parts: the cecum, the colon, and the rectum. The colon has four parts. You have the ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and the S shape will be the sigmoid colon. And that, of course, leads to the rectum. Now, we said that all along the colon you have these pockets. These pockets are called haustra, Haustra. And on the surface of the colon you have a smooth muscle strip called the tinea coli. When the tinea coli contracts, it produces the haustra. Okay? All right, so this would be your tinea coli, and these are the pockets, the haustra. All right, the cecum has the ileocecal valve right here. This is the ileocecal valve, and this controls. So this is a sphincter. This controls the material that leaves the ileum and enters the cecum. Also attached to the cecum will be the appendix. The appendix is a blind or is a one-way organ that oftentimes becomes infected. And we call that appendicitis. Okay? This is the ileum. Right here, 542 is the ileum that leads to the ileocecal valve.
Can you see the appendix on this?
Right here. A great big structure. That's the appendix. Okay, now let's look at this. Okay, this is the pancreas, and this is the pancreatic duct. The first part of the small intestine is the duodenum, and that is the shortest of the small intestine, and this is where digestion is completed. All right, so the end products of digestion will then move to the jejunum. So this will be the jejunum, the beginning of the jejunum. All right, 536 would be the jejunum. Okay, and this is where absorption occurs. The absorption of the end products of digestion. What are the end products of digestion? What are the end products of digestion?
End products of digestion?
End products of digestion.
Insoluble fats.
Yes.
Amino acids, glucose, monosaccharides,
Let's see.
carbohydrates.
I just want to know the end products of digestion. What are the end products? Okay, you gave me glucose, that's right. Amino acids. And what's the other one?
Fatty acids.
Fatty acids and glycerol. Fatty acids and glycerol. Okay, very good. So those are the end products of digestion that will enter the jejunum and be absorbed. Okay? All right. This is mesentery. This is mesentery. You see here, 541 will be the mesentery. What's the function of the mesentery? It does.
Stabilizes position.
It stabilizes, right. Stabilizes the organs in the abdomen. Okay? Remember that. Any questions about this? Okay? Now, this yellow that you see is it's part of the greater omentum. What is, Christina, what's greater omentum?
It's like that kind of like fatty substance that covers the whole abdominal cavity.
And where does it extend from?
The greater curvature of the stomach.
Very good. Okay, it extends from the greater curvature of the stomach. It's called the greater omentum, which is the fat apron. And it hangs down the entire abdomen. Okay? All right. Any questions about this? All right, good.